Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to their website, and once you are on here we can just scroll down to the very bottom until we come down to this footer and we just want to look for Become a Courier. So go ahead and click that and it will open up this new tab where we can actually sign up. So in order to create an account, we want to put in our first name, our last name, our email address, our phone number, our city, and also our preferred contact language. From there, you want to make sure you read and agree to the courier agreement and also the privacy policy and the terms of service. Once you've read and understand them, you can click both of these and create your account. Now it's important to know that in order to be accepted as a driver, you will need a few things first. So you will need a valid driver's license, you will need vehicle insurance, you will need vehicle registration, you will need proof of work eligibility, and you also need a background check. Once you're sure you've got all those, you will also need a few more things such as a smartphone with a data plan, direct deposit banking information, and finally industry standard thermal catering bags. So once you've got all those things, you should be eligible to apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. So that's how you can apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.